In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site loads, click Design Site to enter the editor. Inside the editor, go to the left side and click the plus Add button. From the menu that appears, select Elements and then click Text. Wix will show you several text options, including headings, paragraphs, and theme text styles. Choose the text element that fits your page and add it to the section where you want it to appear. After placing the text element on the page, double-click it to begin editing. Remove the sample text and type in your own content. Keep your wording clear and make sure it matches the purpose of that section of your website. With the text box selected, use the floating toolbar to customize the appearance of your text. You can change the font, adjust the font size, update the text color, and set the alignment. You can also modify spacing and other formatting settings to make the text look clean and consistent with the rest of your site. Take a moment to review the style so that it is easy to read and visually balanced. If you want to make the text clickable, keep the text element selected and click the link icon in the toolbar. Wix will open the link settings for that text. From there, choose the type of destination you want to use. You can link the text to another page on your site, a web address, an email address, a phone number, a document, or even a specific section of a page. Once you choose the link type, enter the destination, or select it from the available options. After that, click Done or Apply to save the link. Make sure the correct destination is attached before moving on. When your text is added, edited, styled, and linked, click Preview to test everything. Read through the text carefully and click the link to confirm that it opens the correct destination. This step helps you catch any mistakes before the changes go live. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your updates visible on your live website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.